Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Caroline Lezon here, graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program. It is Tuesday, January 31st of 2012. We are in the last day of January, welcoming our new month of February tomorrow. How exciting is that? Oh, it is really exciting. We're getting closer to spring, which is really cool. Hopefully it gets a little bit warmer here in the state of Indiana. It's been cold. But anyways, we are here to analyze our Q's pretty chart, our daily chart, as we always do. So let's take a closer look at what happened here today. Check this out. Look at the 8 moving average. We are finding support at this 8 moving average here today, which is at the 60-16 mark. We're bouncing beautifully off of it, closing the day a little higher above the 8 moving average, but we are still stuck at this area of resistance right here, the 60-62 mark, or 60-58. That was the high of January 25. So that's what we are struggling with right there. We are struggling at both areas of resistance right here, this blue trend line right here at the 60-58 mark, as well as that other blue trend line coming up. So those two are significant areas of resistance. So as you can see, we pushed it all the way back up, broke through the high of January 26, which was at the 60-80 mark, made a new high here of 60-86 and pulled back down, closing the day below both areas of resistance. So watch those areas here really closely tomorrow, as well as that 8 moving average, which is again at 60-16 mark, because we're finding really nice support right there. So that is a significant area of support that I want you to pay close attention to. If we ever go higher, breaking through the 60-86 mark, which is the high of today, and close above it, then we could head higher, making a new high, continuing to the upside. So, but first of all, we need to break through both areas of resistance, as well as the 60-80 mark, 86 mark. But if we instead go back down, watch that 8 moving average here, because it's very important. If we ever break through the 8 moving average and close below it, we would have some potential to the downside. First, to that lower area support right here, the 59.85, and then the next one down would be 59.22. But we need to watch for those signs to form in terms for us to make our good decision. But anyways, yeah, let's take a look at their MACD. The MACD is still pointing lower, which is not good. We do not see a nice confirmation on the MACD. We do see the Qs continuing to the upside, making a new high here today, but the MACD is still pointing south to the downside, closer to the 0 line, which is not, again, not good. I don't want to see that happening here. If we ever push higher on the Qs on our chart, we would need to see the MACD pointing higher, but we don't see that. All right, so there's a low divergence in here. But anyways, yeah, again, watch those areas of support and resistance here, because there are really important areas for you to pay close attention to, as well as watch the MACD really closely, because we always need that confirmation. All right, yeah, volume. We're getting some spikes in volume right here at this level. What it means is that we are fighting those areas of resistance at this moment. Are we putting on a top? Don't know. That's why we have all of those signs, all of those areas of support and resistance to watch, to help us make better decisions. So that's what you need to do. And again, watch the MACD really closely, because that's really important, and also pay close attention to volume to see if we are going to get any more spikes in there. All right, so have a wonderful day, evening, and safe trading to all of you out there tomorrow.